Welcome back as we explore the extra wide YEP HHO 5-step folding ramp for your beloved pets. These stairs feature a spacious 16-inch width and safely support dogs up to 110 pounds. The reinforced iron pipe frame provides a very sturdy and secure path for your furry friends to climb. This lightweight 9-pound ramp easily adjusts to fit various vehicle heights and high home furniture pieces. A double layer of non-slip rubber ensures your dog stays completely safe during every single step-up. Rubber pads and a quick connect hook offer triple protection against any unwanted sliding or dangerous movement. This portable design is the perfect solution for medium and large dogs using cars or high beds. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.